Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before begin it, let introduce myself. My name is Ainayah Dian Lil Islami with study number A1M220079. In this opportunity, I will explain about past future perfect continuous tense. Past future perfect continuous tense is a verb that used to describe an event or word that will or has already happened and is being done in the past, which has nothing to do with the present. The timing of an event or word at this tense has its own characteristic. The sentence in this tense combines four kinds of tenses at once. Among them are past tense, future tense, perfect tense, and also continuous tense. The first tense used is past tense. Meanwhile, the second tense is form past tense. So, you have to change will to would and also shall to should. The third tense used is perfect tense. This is indicated by the word have. Meanwhile, the last tense used is continuous tense. That's why to be or verb ing or present participle. After my little explanation just now, now I want explain with an example. Then let's going to the material. Past, future, perfect, continuous. Easy for me, easy for us. I speak by English and also little Indonesian language. Okay, as we know, this material has four elements. The first is past atau lampau, so future atau yang akan datang. Then past future, we must change the word will become would and also shall become should. So, the next is perfect. Perfect atau tuntas atau yang telah usai. Then we must use have. But this is not contact to subject she or he. We does not use her or has because it's just for present perfect. So the next is continuous. Then we must use present participle or to be or verb ing. Besides that, we can also add some additional word like for, but, if clause, however, and also unfortunately. So look at the example positive sentence. The form subject, so would or should, so have, been, and present participle or verb ing. I have give the color, the red color for the subject, the blue color for would or should, so the green color for have, so the yellow color for been and also present participle or verb ing. Like the example, she should have been writing a letter, but the paper was lost. So the second, the lion would have been chasing the prey, however the reality is not. So they would have been reading the new book if it is still on the rack. Jadi I wanna give the mean for the first example. She should have been writing a letter. Jadi dia seharusnya udah menulis surat. But the paper was lost. Tapi kenyataannya in the fact kertasnya hilang. Okay, for the next example is negative sentence content with subject would or should, not plus have, and also been plus present participle or verb ing. Like the example, she would not have been carrying my suitcase if my shoulders are not in pain. Same with before. Red color for subject, so blue color for would and should. So this green color for not at have. So yellow color for been and also for being. At the meaning, she would not have been carrying my suitcase. Seharusnya dia tidak membawakan koperku. If my shoulders are not in pain, apabila bahuku tidak sakit. So the next example interrogative sentence is contained with would or should in the first. So subject, so have plus present participle or verb ing. Like the example, would she have been carrying my suitcase? So same with before. Blue color for would or should. So red color for subject. So green color for have. So yellow color for been and also for ing. In the meaning, would she have been carrying my suitcase? Apakah dia akan membawakan koperku? So I have another example. Look at the another example. They would have been working for me for 10 years by the end of last year, but unfortunately they have passed away 2 years ago. In the meaning, they would have been working for me 10 years. Jadi mereka sudah bekerja denganku selama 10 tahun by the end of last year. Seharusnya akhir tahun lalu mereka bekerja denganku selama 10 tahun. But unfortunately, tetapi sangat disayangkan, they have passed away 2 years ago. They have died. Jadi mereka udah meninggal dunia 2 tahun yang lalu. Enough, this is from me. I hope this video can be useful for us. Apologies me for all my mistake. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.